Hi everyone, welcome to Salance. Now this is the nothing on cable. Type C to Type C, and let's open the door.
Type C ah, Dasa fried chicken ah.
Dasa fried chicken. Very funny. Wait, we have some special tools. This.
你要睇 YouTube 重點 monetize 啊。
Okay.
Okay. 來 see the product.
Jeng,
Wow.
jeng, jeng. Like this only.
Transparent cable oh.
It says nothing, but actually really nothing. Kosong only.
Okay. Oh, nothing oh. Inside the box, nothing oh. okay lah.
That's all.
Wait, you destroy it? Oh, never mind. Okay
Not
lah, test and see.
And then my
No, our
Finally.
device. Testing
Yes.
device.
and we will
Sika.
test. Oh my god. I guess we are actually destroying the. Don't play the copyright music later. We getting the copyright.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. And we are actually.
Wait, oh sorry. Later you edit on my finger lah.
It's okay.
Okay.
And
哇，而家就一隻冇效
part
果啊。
one, we are using this. We changing the cables.
Dasa
because-
fried chicken Type C ah. Okay, let's see if can charge Nintendo Switch. Light lah, this one. 接一下 for video.
Yes, it says console battery 90%.
Now Vivo Y100 Pro. 500, not 100 Pro.
Okay, but it says okay.
The casing. Cover. I forget. I worked at Vivo one last time.
Last time.
But now I do they get digital.
Wow, 5G gila.
Charge 不到。
Wait, charge 不到.
It's not
Really charging.
the owner of the phone.
要 charging 哦，
Charging.
Yeah, charging.
要 charging。
Just they don't come out something like that lah.
Okay, so what's your conclusion of this cable?
Very
Dasa
good.
fried chicken?
And let's see what it says for this. Quick charge.
Yeah, quick charge. Now, the company phone itself.
The company phone itself. We have my friend's phone. Let's see. What
Wait.
does it say?
Okay.
And
Yeah.
remember, this power bank is up to 18 watt only.
Okay.
So what does it say for this one?
Charge rapidly. Yeah.
Yes, fast charging up to 18 watts.
Okay.
That's all for the video, and see you in the next video.
Conclusion.
Bye bye. Oh, one more thing. The quality is very good. They have the transparent. You see properly. Transparent. Okay, guys.
Korang nampak tak? Yup. Sorry.
Okay. And the quality is extremely good. My rating is 5 star
Okay.
out of 5.
Okay.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Bye bye.